guys, welcome back to my channel Trish Tales, and after so many days I'm filming a video. So there was a lot of things which was happening, and just to let you know guys that I moved to UK because of my job, and it's already been 3 months now. So मुझे 3 महीने already हो चुके हैं यहाँ पे. So मैंने सोचा क्यों ना वापस से videos बनाई जाए, and you know जो भी places मैं visit करूँ and whatever activities it would be like. So I just try to capture all those things. एंड कोशिश करूँगी कि आप लोग भी वो चीज़ देखें दैट व्हाट इट फील्स लाइक टू बी इन अ फॉरेन कंट्री. सो ओवरऑल टुडेज वीडियो विल बी अबाउट हाउस टूर. सो मैंने और मेरी फ्रेंड ने वी rented a 2 BHK apartment, and trust me, getting houses here it was not easy. So we got a house, and the drawback was that it was completely unfurnished. पूरा हाउस सेटअप करना इज अ बिग टास्क. एवरीबडी वुड नो दैट. सो सेटिंग अप अ हाउस इज नॉट समथिंग विच इज रियली वेरी ईजी. वही मैं आपको जो है दिखाना चाहती हूँ ओवरऑल दैट क्या क्या चीज़ें हमने मैनेज करी, क्या चीज़ें हमने खरीदा, हाउ वी डिड दैट. सो आई जस्ट ट्राई टू टेल यू ऑल दोज सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो बेसिकली the main focus would be about my room, like how I did a makeover of it. So the majority of the focus will go towards that rather than a whole house tour, because there are still pretty things that we have not sorted out yet. So yes, I think let's make a start now. So this is the tour of my house, and we'll just go inside it now. So yes, this is a small hall overall, and ये जो भी चीज़ें आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो that is all something which we have set up. So ये एक वॉल हैंगिंग थी जो हमने यहीं नियर बाई स्टोर से लिया था, एंड आई थिंक इट वॉज ऑफ £2 ऑलमोस्ट. एंड देन देयर इज अदर वॉल हैंगिंग, ये भी आई थिंक इट वॉज ऑफ £1 or £2 विच वी गॉट इट फ्रॉम द नियर बाई स्टोर. नाउ दिस इज समथिंग, अ स्टैंडिंग मिरर, और ये हमने मार्केट प्लेस से लिया था. सो आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गाइज know that on Facebook there is a marketplace, and you can get majority of the stuff from there. So there are certain people who sell out their old household items. It can be anything, right, from sofa to TV, mirrors, kitchen sets, everything. They just sell out on a marketplace at some of the cheaper price. So now this is the sofa, and again we got it from the marketplace. So ये सोफ़ा हमारे घर में बहुत मुश्किल से आया है. So I just tell you what happened exactly. So we actually got a truck, a van I would say, not a truck, okay. So that was a van which we hired on an hourly basis, and there were certain stuff and items that we managed to get it from the marketplace. Somehow we got this loaded into the van, but the main problem was ये हमारे घर में आ नहीं पा रहा था just because of its huge size, and जो हमारा front door है it's very thin and small. So I think यहाँ के बहुत सारे UK homes मैंने देखा है, the doors are very compact. So ये हमें उस दिन वैन में वापस लौटाना पड़ा. So no, there was a driver, so we just requested him like, could you please take it back, and we just figure out how to get it inside the house. So we have a neighbor, so उन्होंने पूरे सोफे को डिसमेंटल किया, घर में लेकर आए, वापस से इसको जोड़ा, because हमारे बस की तो नहीं थी, हमसे ना हो पाया. But now we have it. Yes. So ये है किचन, and it's really very huge. ये किचन stools हैं which we again got it from the marketplace. So it's in a pair and I think it was of 11 pounds. So this is a artificial plant that we got it from the nearby store. यहाँ पे हमने थोड़े से setup वगैरह किए हैं. Then there is all these racks. एक छोटा सा मंदिर हमने यहाँ पे सेटअप किया हुआ है as per the directions. So ये again यहाँ पे कुछ racks हैं. Other thing is that we have a backyard. So that's a full backyard. I can't go outside because it's really very cold. So first we thought to कि backyard का भी कुछ करते हैं, but then again and ये जो भी चीज़ें आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो that is all owner stuff. So we just asked them to remove it from there, and then later on it was like कि अभी ठंड का मौसम है and there is nothing that we could do much apart from barbecue and all, but that is also, it would depend I think. So अभी के लिए यहाँ पे हमने कुछ भी plan out नहीं किया है. So this is a backyard. ये बलून्स एक्चुअली मेरे बर्थडे के हैं. This is a wooden cupboard and ये भी मैंने मार्केट प्लेस से ही लिया था on a same day when we booked a van. So ये I think I got it for free. So yes, बहुत सारे ऐसे आइटम्स हैं जो आपको मार्केट प्लेस पे फ्री पे भी मिलेंगे. So ये फ्री का माल है. Okay. Then there is another set of beautiful thing which I loved, This is a dressing table, guys, and it's a beauty. So ये white color में dressing table and that comes with a chair as well. Okay, and this is a small chair. So you can just sit on it and do all sort of stuffs, makeup, hair, whatever everybody does. So yes, ये बहुत एक प्यारा सा dressing table है and I think I got it for 20 pounds if I'm not wrong. So 20 pound में मुझे ये पूरा dressing table मिला था and it has small compartments. So this is the dressing table. Now beside to it we have a beautiful chair. ये chair I think ये भी मुझे I cannot recall exactly. I think it was of 15 to 20 pounds. And then there is a cushion जो अलग से मैंने लिया था. I think it was of 3 pounds. So ये जो chair जो है इसकी भी एक story है. So what happened exactly was जब हम इस chair को उठा के van में रख रहे थे somehow it fell on the floor and इसके जो legs थे they were 4 legs. तो उसमें से एक leg somehow it broke, पूरा टूट गया and it was damaged. But still my the van driver, he told that he'll fix it somehow. Trust me, I was very disappointed, but at the same time there was a little hope that yes, maybe he can fix it. And we got this home somehow. we were not able to fix. And I was so disappointed, really, because this is something which I loved, and I just wanted, to be in the room so that accordingly I can match it with the dressing table. So that is what I thought. But still, I just got an idea. So what I did, I just took out all the other 3 legs as well. So मैंने उसके तीनों पैर निकाल दिए, and now आप देख सकते हो कि इसमें कोई भी पैर नहीं है. And अब ये बिल्कुल प्लेन है नीचे से. सो इसका जो बेस है दैट इज़ ऑल प्लेन. सो थोड़ी सी हाइट इसकी जो है कम हो गई है, जस्ट बिकॉज कि उसके लेग्स हमने निकाल दिए हैं. बट आई थिंक स्टिल बैठने में आपको इतना ज़्यादा पता नहीं चलेगा, एंड इट्स रियली वेरी कंफर्टेबल एज वेल. सो इसकी भी स्टोरी थी. ओके, नाउ अगेन, सो दिस इज अगेन अ वॉल hanging which we got from a nearby store, and I think it was of one pound each. So now, okay, so this is the backyard. See, so this is our backyard and this is our neighbor's backyard, which is divided. So दोनों में barrier लगा हुआ है, and ये आपके बाकी को backyards देखने को मिलेंगे. Now coming to this one, so this is a candle जो almost, I'll not say every day, but on certain nights I just light this up. So this is a बहुत अच्छी fragrance आती है overall. And this is a flower. So again, this I got the type thing for 2 to 3 pounds, and this is both indoor planters, right? And that is how I have put up here. It's a birthday card which my friend, my flatmate, she gifted me, so I've just placed it here. So ये एक और decorative piece है, so I just loved it really so much, and you can see that I've not taken out the tag as well. So next to that there is again a beautiful plant. So this is also an indoor plant, and ये जो इसका silver pot है ये भी मैंने अलग से buy किया हुआ है. And this is again something I think it's a candle holder mostly, but यहाँ पे मैंने ये fairy lights लगा करके रखे हुए हैं. So this is how the overall view looks like. Okay, so next to that I have this bedside table. So this is also, I think, and this is in pair. So the other pair is in my friend's room, and उसके ऊपर ये है table lamp. This also I got it for 3 pounds. So this I bought it from the store, the table lamp, and the all decorative items I got it from store. But ये bedside table, a chair, dressing table, all these items and the cupboard, everything I got it from the marketplace itself. Okay, so ये marketplace पे जो लोग sell out करते हैं, they just put it a post on Facebook marketplace. आप उनसे inquire करो, just get in touch with them, and then you need to go to their house and collect this stuff. That's it. Okay, and ये है पूरा bed overall. So this is just the mattress with a cushion and a quilt, and the quilt is very nice. So ये पूरा बेडिंग का जो आपको सेक्शन दिखेगा, ये मैंने पूरा का पूरा आइकिया से लिया हुआ है. तो ये बहुत ही सॉफ्ट सा क्विल्ट है विथ क्विल्ट कवर, द मैट्रेस कवर एंड द कुशन्स. सो ऑल दीज आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम आइकिया इटसेल्फ. ओके, एंड द बेड साइड टेबल के पास ये मैंने बहुत अच्छे से एक्सटेंशन अरेंज कर दिया है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आराम से आप लेटो, सो एंड देन ईजिली यू कैन इसका स्विच भी यहीं पे है, सो आपको कुछ उठने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. यू कैन ईजिली लाइट अप. यहीं पे मेरे फ़ोन का चार्जर भी मैंने रखा हुआ है. सो एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी ईजिली एक्सेसिबल, एंड दैट इज़ हाउ आई वांटेड. बेड के पास सब कुछ चीज़ें होनी चाहिए. ओके, So next to my room we have another room. This is the washroom. Was it for today's video, and I hope that you like it. So yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and till then, goodbye and stay safe.